Tesla owners occasionally encounter a frustrating message: charging stopped unexpectedly. This warning indicates an interruption during the charging process and affects approximately 3 to 5% of all Tesla charging sessions. The distribution of charging interruptions varies by location. Home charging accounts for 60% of reported cases, making it the most common scenario. Supercharger issues represent 25%, while third-party charging stations account for 15%. The issue is slightly more prevalent in older Tesla Model S and Model X vehicles manufactured before 2021. These vehicles may experience charging interruptions more frequently due to aging hardware components and older communication protocols. The Tesla charging system involves multiple components that must communicate seamlessly. The battery management system monitors cell voltages and temperatures. The onboard charger converts AC power to DC for battery storage. The charging port provides the physical interface, while the vehicle control unit manages charging protocols and safety systems. During normal charging, energy flows from the electrical grid through the charging station to the vehicle's onboard charger, which then converts and directs power to the battery pack. This process requires constant communication between all components to ensure safe and efficient charging. Charging interruptions stem from three primary categories. Hardware issues account for 45% of cases, including worn charging ports, battery management system faults, and onboard charger problems. Software and communication issues represent 30%, involving protocol errors and firmware incompatibilities. External factors make up the remaining 20% and include power grid instability, extreme temperatures, and electrical interference. Understanding these categories helps diagnose and resolve charging issues more effectively. All charging system components must communicate effectively for successful charging. The vehicle communicates with the charging station, the battery management system coordinates with the onboard charger, and safety systems monitor the entire process. Any breakdown in this communication chain can trigger the charging stopped unexpectedly warning. The charging process is highly complex, involving dynamic power adjustment based on battery state, continuous temperature monitoring, constant safety protocol checks, and real-time diagnostics. This complexity, while ensuring safety and efficiency, also creates multiple points where interruptions can occur. The charging stopped unexpectedly warning is a protective measure that prevents potential damage to your vehicle or charging equipment. While it affects only a small percentage of charging sessions, understanding its causes helps Tesla owners respond appropriately and seek the right solutions when the issue occurs. When your Tesla displays a charging stopped unexpectedly warning, there are systematic steps you can take to diagnose and resolve the issue. We'll walk through solutions from basic troubleshooting to advanced repairs. Start with these three basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart the charging session by unplugging and reconnecting the cable. This resolves about 30% of charging interruptions. Second, reboot your vehicle's touchscreen by holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds. This clears temporary software glitches that may interfere with charging. Third, try charging at a different location. If the problem only occurs at one specific charger, the issue is likely with that charging station rather than your vehicle. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, perform a physical inspection of your charging equipment. Look for visible damage, debris, or wear that could interrupt the charging process. Examine your charging port carefully. Remove any debris, dirt, or moisture that could prevent proper electrical contact. The highlighted component in this image shows a critical connection point that must remain clean. Inspect your charging cable for any signs of wear, fraying, or damage. A damaged cable can cause intermittent connections and unexpected charging interruptions. Ensure the charging connector seats properly in the port. A loose connection is one of the most common causes of charging interruptions. Check for any moisture or corrosion around the charging contacts. These can interfere with the electrical connection and trigger safety systems. Software updates are crucial for charging reliability. Tesla regularly releases improvements to charging algorithms and communication protocols. Tesla's software updates include charging efficiency improvements and enhanced diagnostic capabilities. Always install updates within 30 days of release to maintain optimal charging performance. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced diagnostic solutions become necessary. Tesla service centers have specialized equipment to identify complex charging system problems. Tesla service centers use specialized diagnostic equipment to scan your vehicle's charging system. This identifies specific error codes and pinpoints the exact cause of charging interruptions. Based on diagnostic results, hardware replacements may be necessary. Charging port assemblies cost $400 to $600, while onboard charger components range from $1,200 to $1,800. Home electrical system upgrades can prevent many charging interruptions. A dedicated charging circuit eliminates power quality issues that commonly cause unexpected charging stops. Installing a dedicated charging circuit with proper electrical components significantly improves charging reliability. This diagram shows a complete solar EV charging system with dedicated breakers and safety components. A dedicated circuit provides stable power delivery, reduces electrical interference, enables faster charging speeds, and dramatically reduces the likelihood of unexpected charging interruptions. Understanding your Tesla's charging system helps identify where problems might occur. Different charging methods have different reliability characteristics and troubleshooting approaches. This diagram shows the various charging pathways available to Tesla vehicles. Each charging method has different reliability rates and potential failure points. Tesla superchargers have the highest reliability at 97% success rate, while standard outlets have the lowest at 85% due to power quality variations. Tesla is developing artificial intelligence-powered systems to predict charging issues before they occur. These predictive diagnostics will revolutionize charging reliability. Artificial intelligence will analyze charging patterns to predict potential failures before they happen. This proactive approach will identify issues during routine maintenance rather than during critical charging sessions. The system will send proactive maintenance alerts when components show early signs of wear, preventing unexpected failures and reducing downtime. Real-time health monitoring will continuously assess charging system performance, automatically adjusting parameters to maintain optimal reliability. Experts predict these AI-powered systems will reduce charging interruptions by 70% by 2026, making Tesla charging more reliable than ever before. Remember the troubleshooting hierarchy. Start with basic steps, perform physical inspections, ensure software is updated, and seek professional diagnosis when needed. Most charging interruptions can be resolved with these systematic approaches.